Why are you here and everybody's outside? Is that you normally don't like crowd or you just don't give a fuck about us? Huh?
Not you trying to psychoanalyze me.
I'm just curious, I'm not trying to psychoanalyze you.
I like crowd.
I don't like crowds.
I like crowd. It just has to be the right crowd.
So you don't think the crowd in this house is the right crowd?
I didn't say that.
Oh, you've already said that.
Crowd I like.
In this house? You want to be specific. Cassie. Once upon a time, 10 minutes on. What kind of laughter is that?
So I do not understand Nomy's and Abby's chemistry.
Nomy and Abby?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I don't understand.
In what sense, please? Elaborate.
They have a relation that I don't understand yet, because it seems like they have two extreme personalities.
Right.
So I wonder why they are not clashing.
I just don't like it when people are wishy-washy.
I've heard that phrase before, wishy-washy, but I honestly don't know what it means.
Up and down. I can't place you. Are you for me? Are you against me?
Wetin happen wey Nomy no answer you today? Wetin happen? Jesus Christ. That's why people were asking that question of that friendship that yesterday.
What's wrong with you? Me and you don't have a problem. I come and meet you. Even if we do have a problem, if I say come meet you,
Answer
go
me
pay that respect. Go suck it, bro. I don't even care.
In public space.
Like,
if you are
as
my
fuck,
friend,
in
you
front
should
of
correct
mirror,
me.
bro. In front of mirror.
Where there's camera.
Now, Mumu, they do. I'm not interested.
It's hard to be for you. Yeah, somebody has to be persistent.
Exactly, because I'm also persistent.
Okay, I cannot say, I'm not in a position to say. It is like, you are the bad child of this house. You're the bad egg, and you just keep on showing that, oh, you know what, I don't give a bloody damn.